Forecasting is a cornerstone business process for all sales organizations. With Dynamics 365 Sales, you can utilize the most robust forecasting tool to execute your forecasting more accurately, which will allow your organization to make more informed business decisions. Today, I will show you exactly how to use opportunity forecasting in Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales, so you can see your opportunities for your team. Opportunity forecasting can play a significant role in your organization's usage of Dynamics 365 for Sales because it makes it so easy to measure performance metrics. This allows managers and directors to quickly follow trends, anticipate revenue, and allocate resources accordingly. To start, we need to configure a forecasting model. Navigate to the Sales Hub, and on the bottom left, select App Settings. In the Performance Management section on the left-hand ribbon, select Forecast Configuration. The first thing we'll do is select a template. There are several different templates to choose from depending on your business forecasting needs. You can also create one from scratch. We're going to select Org Chart Forecast. This is to project your forecasting based on your organization's reporting hierarchy. You can also choose a template based on a product hierarchy or a sales territory. Let's name our forecast. Next, we will select our roll-up entity as opportunity and hierarchy entity as user. This is so we are tracking opportunity metrics such as revenue, and we are rolling up to the right person in our organizational chart hierarchy. Let's now choose our roll-up to hierarchy relationship. We will select opportunity to owner to user. This shows that we are connecting the roll-up and hierarchy entities. The top of the hierarchy will be our director of sales, in this case Matt Fager. The scheduling period will be fiscal year 2022 with quarterly periods. Now that we have configured our general properties, let's click Next. Permissions is where we will define who can see the forecast at each level of the hierarchy. You can also add additional security roles for others to view the forecast. Let's use the default values and click Yes. Next, I want to show you the layout page. It's already pre-configured through the template. You can click which category fields that your organization will track. Each field has a different confidence level ranging from low confidence, like the pipeline field, to highest confidence, like the one field. You can edit the fields and columns further as needed by clicking the gear icon. These include things like how the categories are calculated and adjustments to the display, such as showing a trend chart. We can use additional filter categories to change which opportunities we will want to display here. For example, we could filter specific segments, products, or types of opportunity that might be applicable to this forecast. But once you have chosen and added the filters, select Next. The drill down page allows you to view your forecast from a different entity's perspective, such as an account or product. By default, we have the account entity set here. When you enable snapshots, you can capture forecast data in moments in time. This can be helpful to see trends and visualizations for your forecast. Advanced settings allows you to dive deeper for greater flexibility. You can do things such as auto-hide parent row, enable multi-currency selection, setting a Kanban as default, and customizing underlying records. Once you have updated your advanced settings, click Next. The last step in the process is to add quotas and activate. We will first activate the forecast. We also need to download our column template for quotas. Once you have downloaded the template, enter in the quota amounts for each sales team member. This example is on a quarterly basis. Remember to also set the parent quota numbers as well, as shown here in the Excel template. Once that has been done, save the Excel template and upload it back into the system. Once you have uploaded the quota numbers, the setup is complete. Now, when we navigate back to the sales area, we can see our forecast. On the bottom left, change it to Sales and then go to the Performance section and select Forecasts. Select the forecast you just created in the drop-down. You can now see a hierarchical view of your organization's opportunities forecast. You can also select drill-down options in the top right and also select which quarter to view. Now your organization will have improved visibility into the opportunities coming down the pipeline and a streamlined process to view, organize, and react to the data to help improve business decision-making across the organization. Most importantly, everyone will be able to better understand what needs to be done to hit your revenue goals of your organization. These are just the highlights for one way that you can use opportunity forecasting in Dynamics 365 Sales to empower your entire sales and leadership team. Check the video description for a link to our summary page that covers all the biggest benefits and features of D365 Sales, as well as some additional walkthrough videos. And of course, if you want to go deeper with what Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales can do for your team, click the contact link to schedule a product showcase with our team at Cobalt.